Now certain properties of indifference curves. First is downward sloping. So we already looked at it, that it is downward sloping if both are goods. Otherwise, they could be upward sloping or as well. Then another property is one through each point. So you cannot have two indifference curves passing through the same point. So the reason is, so the proof is very simple and graphical. Suppose you have two ICs passing through this point E. Okay. Now I'm saying that A. Uh, so what I'm saying is that these are two ICs U1 and U2, and they are both intersecting through point E. So this point A, it has more of good X and Y both. Okay, so if you construct a 90-degree angle from B, you see that A is strictly above it. So X at A is greater than X at B, and Y at A is also greater than Y at B. So this implies, since both the commodities are goods, more is preferred. So if you get more of both the goods, you are definitely better off. So what this implies is that A should be strictly preferred to B. Okay. By similar logic, C should be strictly preferred to D. Okay. Now D and A, they are on the same indifference curve. Okay, so I should have D indifferent to A. Okay. So I have found that C is strictly preferred to D, D is indifferent to A, and A is strictly preferred to B. So by transitivity, this should imply that C should be strictly preferred to B. But as I can see, C and B, they lie on the same indifference curve. Okay, so C and B are lying on the same indifference curve here. So since they are lying on the same indifference curve, I should have C indifferent to B. Now both these two things cannot be true simultaneously, because if these two things are true simultaneously, it will violate your completeness. Right, it's going to violate completeness. So that's what that's why you cannot have two indifference curves passing from the same point. Okay, so the property that I just mentioned, this property that if you have more of each thing, that bundle becomes more preferred, this property is called monotonicity. Monotonicity basically means that more is preferred. Now it's true, monotonicity is obeyed if both commodities are good, otherwise it's not. Okay, so more pollution is not preferable. So monotonicity is true only when all commodities are goods. And the third property is convexity. So convexity simply states that all points on the segment connecting any 2 points on an indifference curve would be strictly more preferred to either of those 2 points. So I am saying that if you have 2 points A and B which lie on the indifference curve, it basically means that A is indifferent to B. Then if you connect these 2 points and you have another point C lying on the collecting line segment, then this C should be strictly preferred to A and B. It is basically the same thing that we said earlier. Okay. So here's the important relationship which all of you need to remember, that if preferences are convex, then utility function is quasi-concave and ICs are convex. Okay, so this is an important thing to remember, that if preferences are convex, then utility function is quasi-concave and ICs are convex.